Where the fuck is my beer? Alright guys, Cambridge Bike Meet. Let's do this. It's a week guys. Next week, next Saturday, we having a big, hopefully big, Cambridge Bike Meet in Cambridge. It's gonna be Saturday, 2nd of June, starting on midday, 12 o'clock, bang on, starting, going for the whole day. So whatever time you decided to rock up, you know, we'll be there. I'll be there all day, my mates will be there all day. Hopefully we have bikes coming back and forth throughout the whole day. So whatever time you decide to rock up over here in Cambridge, come and join us. Saturday, 2nd of June. To the point, and just a quick update for you. Lots and lots of you have been asking for a possibility of bringing a tent to stay in overnight and riding back the next day, which is understandable if you're traveling from further away. So yes, I had a chat with landlord, and he said there's no problem anywhere on the green that belongs to the pub. He's got no problem whatsoever. You can set up a tent over there and just camp overnight. Obviously that's not a proper campsite, but the facilities like the toilets are in the pub. No shower, I'm afraid, but I guess you can live without a shower for one evening, can you not? Right, I'm gonna show you a Google satellite terrain kind of view of the pub, the venue. You can see the car park is a really big car park. We had a few traders over there, including Roasted Choppers, Bare Knuckle Customs. We have the new addition is Fastech Racing. Engineers from Newmarket, they coming over as well with their stuff they produce, and a couple of bikes they build as well. Amazing machines. And we're gonna have Clean My Ride, a guy who does beautiful valeting and degreasing of a motorcycle, so you can have it done on the spot probably if you want to. But that's not the point. Have a look at that Google picture, the street view, satellite view. The car park is absolutely amazingly big, which is good because you can fit lots of bikes in there. And everywhere on the green bit, because obviously the pub is over there, but you got little bits of green, you can set a tent over there. Plus landlord said on the back garden as well, which is not on the picture, there's probably space for about 5 or 6 tents, and it's got no problem people camping over there. So guys, you want to bring a tent over, stay overnight, be my guest, you know. We'll be drinking through the day. I'll be staying there until late, and I'll probably be back in the morning for some amazing breakfast or Sunday roast, because Sunday roast in this place, it's truly spectacular. Also, landlord told me they've got 2 rooms they available for rent on the day or on the night. I think they £25 each, which is like really cheap. I don't know how good they are, but I believe there are 2 rooms available. So you need to phone up the ship, Google contact the ship in Arbury in Cambridge, and have a chat if you want to book it. First come, first serve, I believe. I think that's a pretty reasonable offer. 25 quid for the night. Don't take my words for it, double check with Andy, the landlord. I don't know what else to say. What else do I need to tell you? Saturday, 2nd of June guys, which is next Saturday. We get a week, 7 fucking days for a Cambridge Bike Meet. Come for an hour, car for 5 hours, car for the day, for the evening. There is an entertainment in the evening in the pub. There's a lady. Unfortunately, she doesn't take her clothes off, but she sings, and apparently to a very good standard. I don't know, I haven't heard it, I've never seen it. But yeah, there's an entertainment in the evening. I think it starts at 9 o'clock or 8, but I can't be wrong about this. I'll be there all day. Some of my mates will be there all day. Easy access from the A14. Mind yourself, A14 around Cambridge, the motorway, is completely fucked because they're doing lots of low roadworks over there, so traffic is slowed down to 40 miles an hour, and the lanes are narrowed down as well, so you won't be able to filter so easily. Be careful, because as I said, 40 mile an hour pretty much around that few junctions. Heavy traffic because of that reason. Very difficult to filter through that traffic because then the lanes are narrowed down, so keep that in mind. I don't think there's anything else you need to know, guys. Again, I'm gonna post the address and the link in the location. That's in Cambridge, not in Oxford, not in Nottingham, not in London. Bike Meet is in Cambridge, Saturday, starting on midday. Saturday, 2nd of June, starting on midday, 12 o'clock, going for the whole day. So weather is looking good. if we can trust the forecast. No rain, 20 degrees, sunny, so perfect conditions for riding. No excuses for all you fair weather riders. Come over, have a drink with us, have a cup of tea, say hello. It would be absolutely amazing to meet you all, guys, and we can hopefully start a new thing, you know, a monthly, maybe every 2 months thing in Cambridge. See what happens. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave you right now with a couple of pictures and a couple of small videos of the bike I've painted on the channel for the last few months. Lots of you have been asking, it would be nice to see the parts I painted put back together on a bike, because obviously that looks completely different, and I do agree. I got a few pictures and a couple of small videos sent over for the bike owners, so I'm gonna leave you with that. Have a look. One of these bikes will be on the meet, the Harley with Virot will be on the meet, the other two probably next time. But yeah, that's about it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a beer with us on Saturday, next Saturday in Cambridge, on the biggest fucking bike meet this little town have seen yet, hopefully, and I'm looking forward to it. So until next Saturday, see you then. Thank you very much.